Friends, in this video we are going to learn a lift control wiring and working. So let's start video and first see working of lift. First we on emergency push button. When you press start push button, main contactor or control contactor is on. Now when you press stop push button, control contactor is off. When main contactor or control contactor on, then other function will work. If main contactor is stop, so other function will not work. Okay, now first we see reverse push button function. When you press reverse push button, reverse contactor is run, motor run in reverse direction. Okay, and when limit switch is operate, motor will not work or contactor will not operate. Okay, same function for forward contactor. When forward contactor forward push button press, forward contactor is operate, motor running in forward direction. When limit switch is operate, so contactor will not work. Okay, now same function for up and down contactor, but for working main contactor or control contactor should operate. If main contactor not operate, so other function will not work. You can see up push button is operate, up contactor is operate. Okay, now when limit switch is operate, if we connect the push button in place of limit switch, you can assume as a limit switch. Okay, when limit switch is operate, contactor will not operate. For down push button, when you press down push button, down contactor is working. When limit switch is operate, so contactor will not operate. Okay, so we connect 4 push button in place of limit switch. You can assume as a limit switch. Okay, now first we see setup for this connection. So we connect a total 5 contactors. You can see this is main contactor or control contactor. For operating other contactors, main contactor should operate. If main contactor is stop, so other function will not work. For starting and stopping, we connected 2 push button, start stop push button for main contactor. Okay, for on main contactor we connect one emergency push button. Okay, and also we have reverse push button contactor, forward contactor. So for reverse contactor, this push button reverse and forward, and also we connect up and down. Okay, we have 2 function, reverse forward and up down. Okay, this is for forward, this is for reverse, and also 2 contactor, it is for down. When down push button, down contactor will operate, and this contactor is for up function. When up push button press, up contactor will operate. Okay, I hope you clear the concept. We connect a total 4 limit switch. Okay, for forward, reverse, up and down controlling. Okay, you can assume as this push button, NC push button, as a limit switch, because we don't have limit switch right now. So for assume, you can assume as a limit switch. Okay, we connect total 4 limit switch. Now for working, first as we know, we doing this connection for 220 volt supply, and all contactor has 220 volts. So first we connect a neutral directly to all contactor. Okay, so first we connect a neutral directly to all contactors, and you can see, you can check push button. This is NC push button and this is NO push button. Okay, now you can check. And for working, we have multi-core cable. It is multi-core cable of 12 core. This cable is 12 core cable. So we will do connection. First see connection in drawing. Okay, so first we connect neutral to all contactors. You can see this is main contactor. Okay, when main contactor operates, other function will operate. This is forward contactor, reverse contactor. Okay, also up contactor and down contactor. For operating other control contactor, we first need to operate main contactor. Okay, now neutral connects directly in all 5 contactors. Okay, as we already done, so neutral connection first we done. So neutral connect all 5 contactor. You can see. Now for control wiring, first line wire first connect in overload relay. Okay, if you have 2 overload relay, forward, reverse and up push up down, so first overload relay output connects in emergency push button. Emergency push button output connected is stop push button. It is a stop push button. Okay, and stop push button output connects in start push button. NO element. Okay, now when start push button is pressed, main contactor will operate. It is simple dual starter. Okay, but this contactor will operate only when we press push button. For operating this contactor permanently, we need to provide holding supply. Okay, so we will provide holding supply as we already done in dual starter, just like dual starter. So for holding supply we use main contactor NO point. Okay, main contactor NO point from NC output. NC output, from NC output connected this connector to main contactor coil from main contactor NO point. Okay, holding supply first connect in main contactor NO and main contactor output connect in main contactor coil. Okay, first we done this connection. So because we have multi-core cable, so first we need to say one number cable. One number cable is control wire, line wire. Okay, so line wire first connect in emergency push button output connect in stop push button, the stop push button output connect in start push button NO element. Okay, now one number connect in input power supply, two number of this cable, two number connector is connect when we press this push button. Okay, it is two number cable. When you press this push button, so it should operate main contactor. Okay, so two number connector connect here. Okay, all connections should be fully tight. I hope you clear the concept of working of lift. Okay, now first we need to see two number wire. Okay, so two number wire connect in main contactor coil. When you press start push button, so two number supply comes here and operate main contactor, but operate only manually. For holding supply, okay, so for holding first we see in push button. Okay, so we can take holding supply from NC output or NO input, from NC output or NO input. So for holding supply we connect from NO input terminal, because continue power supply comes here, so we connect a 3 number wire here from NO input. So 3 number wire connect here. It is holding supply, and holding supply will need to connect in main contactor NO point. Okay, so first we take 3 number wire and connect this wire to main contactor NO point. Okay, when main contactor operate, okay, when main contactor operate, so NO makes NC and this supply comes here and operate contactor coil permanently. Okay, so we connect one connector from contactor NO output terminal. When contactor will operate, so holding supply comes here and it will operate main contactor coil. Okay, because holding supply comes continuously. Now holding connection is done from main contactor. Okay, now for up, down, reverse, forward, first we see all the function. As we know, when main contactor will operate, so other control function will work. Okay, so for for control wiring we use other main contactor NO terminal. Okay, okay, when main contactor operate, this NO makes NC and control will be on. Okay, so we use main contactor NO terminal. Okay, and first we see for forward contactor, when main contactor is stop, so control will be stop. Okay, control only run when main contactor will operate. First see for forward contactor, main contactor NO output comes in forward push button NO terminal. Okay, when we press this forward push button NO terminal, first for interlocking in push button, okay, it connects in reverse push button NC terminal. Okay, when reverse is stop, then this supply will pass. So just we do interlocking in push button. Okay, when NC or reverse is stop, then this supply will pass, and this supply connects in for stopping forward contactor. Okay, when we connect a limit switch, when this limit switch will operate, so forward contactor should stop. Okay, so connect this connector from limit switch which you want when this operates, so forward contactor should stop. So we connect this limit switch NC terminal and connect in reverse contactor NC terminal for interlocking. We do interlocking and contactor also in push button. Okay, so reverse contactor NC wire connected in operate forward contactor. Okay, first we do control wiring. Okay, so first as we know, when main contactor operates, other controlling should work. So we connect one connector in this holding supply wire, and this wire connect in contactor, other anode terminal of contactor. Okay, anode wire is connect in anode terminal. Because we use 3 wire, 1 2 3, now 4 wire, 4 number wire for control on. Okay, so we connect a 4 number wire here. Okay, when main contactor will operate, so this supply will pass, and this supply will connect in all of the push button, forward, reverse, up and down, all 4 push button and O terminal. Okay, so first we connect in forward push button NO terminal, we connect one connector in reverse push button NO terminal, also we connect this connector in up push button NO terminal, also in down push button NO terminal. So we connect all push button NO terminal. This is for up and down. So all push button NO terminal connects from main contactor output. If main contactor is stopped, so this control wiring will not come. Okay, first see for forward function. Okay, so forward push button NO output connects in reverse push button NC wire. Okay, for interlocking. If reverse is on, so this will not work. So for forward we use 5 number wire. Okay, so we connect a 5 number wire from reverse push button NC output. Okay, when you press forward push button, this supply comes here, and if reverse push button is stop, so this wire 5 number wire comes here, and it will connect in limit switch. You can assume this push button as a limit switch. This limit switch is for stopping forward contactor. Okay, now we connect this wire from forward limit switch NC, and output of this limit switch we will connect in reverse contactor. This is reverse contactor, and we need to connect add-on block. If your contactor have NC point, so you can connect it directly. If your contactor does not have any NC point, so need to connect add-on block for NC, because we are doing an interlocking. Okay, this is reverse contactor NC, so we connect reverse contactor NC from limit switch. Okay, from limit switch to reverse contactor NC, and NC output operate will forward contactor. This connection is for only interlocking. Now add-on block output from NC terminal and connect this connector to forward contactor coil. Okay, when limit switch will operate, so contactor will stop. Also reverse contactor is operate, so forward contactor will stop, because we are doing in interlocking. Okay, now connection for reverse contactor. So also this supply comes from main contactor NO output, connect in reverse push button NO terminal, reverse push button NO terminal output connect in forward push button NC terminal for interlocking in push button, and forward push button output wire connect in limit switch. Okay, this is for stopping. Okay, for reverse limit switch NC point. Okay, when limit switch operate, so your reverse contactor will stop, and also limit switch output connect in forward contactor NC terminal for interlocking. When forward contactor is start, so reverse contactor will not operate. Okay, it is for interlocking. First we do this connection for this reverse contactor. Okay, so first we connect one connector from reverse contactor NO terminal. When reverse push button press, so reverse push button NO output connect here, and connect one connector from NC forward push button NC wire. It is 6 number wire, and 6 number wire can operate. First connect in limit switch. Okay, so 6 number wire connect in for stopping limit switch for reverse contactor. Okay, so we connect one wire in this limit switch, and output of this limit switch we connect one more connector, and it will operate connect first in forward contactor NC terminal, because we are doing interlocking. In this contactor we have NC terminal. Okay, if your contactor does not have NC terminal, so need to connect one add-on block, but our contactor have NC point, so we connect from push button output in NC terminal and NC terminal output, and it will operate reverse contactor. Okay, it is for only interlocking. Okay, if this forward contactor is operated, so this supply will not pass. This supply pass only when forward contactor is stop condition. Okay, when forward contactor is in stop condition, so if you press reverse push button, so reverse contactor will pick up. Now same connection for up contactor. Okay, so up contactor connection is same. So from main contactor NO terminal we connect one connector, it connects from up push button NO terminal, and up push button NO terminal output connects in down push button NC terminal, because interlocking in push button for stopping. Okay, if down push button is stopped, then supply pass and it will connect in limit switch, which we use from stopping up contactor. Okay, and output of this limit switch connects in down contactor NC terminal of interlocking. Okay, now first we do this connection. So we connect one connector. Okay, now same connection as we done for forward reverse. Now same connection for up and down. First for up we connect one limit switch and one limit switch for down. Okay, now first we connect one connector from up push button NO terminal output. So NO terminal output connects here, and connect this connector to down push button NC terminal. Okay, if down push button is in stop condition, then supply will pass. Okay, because we are doing interlocking in also in push button, so output of this push button connects here. It is 6 number wire. Okay, and this wire connect in limit switch for stopping up contactor. Okay, which limit switch you want to stop, when this limit switch will operate, so up contactor should stop. So output of this limit switch, first we will connect from down contactor NC terminal for interlocking, but as for now our contactor will not have any NC point, and also we don't have any add-on block. Okay, so we will do connection directly, but just for demonstration. Okay, you should not do connection like this. You should connect from down contactor NC terminal, and output of NC need to operate up contactor. Okay, but we don't have add-on block, or contactor does not have any NC point, so we connect this supply directly. But you should not do connection like this. You just need to use down contactor NC terminal, and down contactor NC output connects in up contactor coil for interlocking. Okay, I hope you clear the concept. Now same connection for down contactor. Okay, down contactor push button wire connected here, and when you press push button, it first connect in up push button NC. When up push button is stopped, then supply will pass, and it connect from limit switch, which you want to stop down contactor. When this limit switch operate, down contactor will stop. Okay, and limit switch output connect in up contactor NC terminal for interlocking. Okay, now when up contactor is operate, so down contactor will not start, because for interlocking. Okay, now first we do this connection practically. So down contactor NO terminal output wire. Okay, it is down contactor NO terminal output wire. So we connect one connector here and connect this connector to up push button and C terminal. Okay, when up push button is in stop condition, so down push button supply will pass from this NC wire. Okay, so down push button NO wire connect in up push button NC wire. Okay, when up up push button is stop, then supply will pass, and connect this 7 number wire. Okay, so we connect one wire here. Okay, when this push button, when we press down push button, so first this supply comes from up push button NC terminal, and output of this supply connects in limit switch. Okay, so we connect one limit switch, and when limit switch is on condition, so supply will not pass. When limit switch is in off condition, so supply will pass. And connect this connector, and first this connector should connect from up contactor NC terminal, and output of NC terminal need to operate down contactor just for interlocking. But our contactor does not have NC point, or does not we have any auxiliary block, so we just connect it directly to the down contactor. Okay, but you should not do connection like this. You need to use other contactor NC terminal for interlocking, because we don't have NC point, so we use connection like this. I hope you clear the concept. Now see working, how it works. Okay, first emergency push button is on. When we press start main contactor is on. Now other function will work for stopping. Stop, main contactor will stop. Okay, first we will see forward contactor, reverse contactor working. Reverse push button press, reverse contactor is operating. Okay, when limit switch is operate, so reverse contactor should stop. Okay, should not operate. Okay, so when limit switch is operate, so contactor will stop. Now same for forward contactor. When forward push button press, forward contactor is on. When limit switch is operate, so contactor will not pick up, contactor will stop. I hope you clear the concept for forward and reverse. Same concept for up and down. Okay, when limit switch is operate, contactor will not pick up. Now it is up contactor. When up push button press, up contactor is operate. When limit switch is on condition, so contactor will not pick up. Okay, just for interlocking. Now for down, when down push button press, down contactor is pick up. When limit switch is operate, so down contactor will not pick up, down contactor will stop. I hope you clear the concept of how to do lift control wiring and working. If you like this video, please press like button. For today enough. We'll meet in next video.